Thank you very much for this opportunity to make a presentation for you today during this workshop. And I will start from our country. Our country is not big. The population is only 3 and approximately 5 million population. But we are a very old country, and we this year, 2009, this is very important for Lithuania because we are celebrating 1,000 year of its name. So we think that it's a very important fact, and we would like to know you this. Okay, I am representing the city of Šiauliai. The city of Šiauliai is located in northern part of Lithuania, and we have about 130,000 citizens, and our city was established in 1236, and you can see that we had also long and rich history. And here you can see our newest sports facility built 2 years ago, and we are very proud and very happy with this new facility. And now I would like to start why Šiauliai started to think about and develop active city and active citizens concept. So in 2006, our city government started to create concept of sustainable city. And during these discussions, we discussed about problems, of course, about all these things that we have to do and so on. And when we discussed long-term strategic development program, we felt that citizens have very big demand of more opportunities for be active for citizens. And of course, we started to think about it, and you can see also that we have in this program for 2007 and 2016, we have priorities. First, open, creative and responsible community, competitiveness of city economy, and quality of living environment. We think all of them are very important. But in the first, you see that sport, one of sections is among health care, social care, culture, education, and others. So when we agreed on this sustainability of the city, our city government and sports society in our city have set targets, and for developing active city with active citizens. And what is important for our city? Promotion of active living in Šiauliai, coordination of existing sporting activities, citizens' accessibility to favorite sporting activities, encouragement of citizens' participation in sporting activities, integration of various citizens groups into society through physical activities, and promotion of cycling as an environmentally friendly way of the healthiest lifestyle. Probably there are not all of these targets. Probably in the future we will develop new and other targets, but at the moment we have these targets. And what we have today in our city? First of all, we have physical culture and sports center. And in this center we have structure of group of 5 people working on development of all activities for every citizens in various age groups and in various target groups of citizens. We also have 9 sports schools, 25 sports branches, 147 sports clubs, sports facilities in good condition that people can use free of charge because municipality is supporting them. And also we are doing international, national, regional, local sports events. And some of events I would like you to show with some pictures. You can see yourself what we have. And one of important and popular festival is Winter Sport Festival. Also, as I said, that all age groups, from very little and very and senior, can participate in all these movements. So you see also so-called Little Olympia. And preschools are very actively participating in these games. Festival Sports for All we are doing in different with different kind of sports, and one of them is, you can see, Šiauliai City Aerobics Festival. Family Sports Festival is also very popular among citizens because people can participate with whole families and also be together. If we talk about Sports for All games, we can tell you a little bit about the history. Before we had separate games for separate target groups. At the moment, we are doing a little bit the same. If this target group wants to be in special group, but if they want, they can join their games into one game. It depends a little bit, and you see what target groups we have. Also, so-called non-Olympic sports branches is also popular in our city, and we are even doing known internationally sports games, Saulės miestas, and now we have 4 years every year this games for not only for Lithuanians but also for other countries who wants to participate. Also sports for disabled. And what is important that city, and not only city but also county, that means region of Šiauliai, also is making special events for disabled. And we have a lot of sports clubs. And all these participants, they have possibility to participate in international events. Talking about Olympic movement, we can say that we have, in our city, we have event Olympic Day, Olympic Autumn, Little Olympian, and the Young Olympian. You can also understand that it's for different target groups. Healthy lifestyle, so-called. We also have Seals Solidarity Swimming, Healthy Food Festival, and participation in international health or national healthy lifestyle events. It's also popular, and every year it comes more and more participants in these events. One of newest kind of event, Islands of Health. That means that people can choose some facility nearby their home and meet and also have physical activities. And this is orientated more to senior people. And we, after 1 year, we see that people like very much these activities, and it's very popular. And just when we started, and today we can compare that participation in these activities grows 100%. So that means that it's very good development, and it's very popular among people. Also, veteran sports. We have very